And that obviously was incorrect.
It was incorrect.
So your memory was faulty about that part of the incident that you testified to at the grand jury?
Yes.
Okay. The actual words used, she asked her to Google hypothermia and how long, and then you stopped, Google hypothermia, end quote, correct?
Correct.
Except it's not true, is it?
I did not hear her ask that. I was told she was asked that.
What you told the grand jurors was not true. You never heard her, my client, ask anyone to Google anything, did you?
I did not.
And yet that's what you testified to under oath, under penalty of perjury, in front of the grand jury, didn't you?
I did.
And the reason that you said that false statement was because someone told you to say it, correct?
Nobody told me to say it. I knew it happened at that time,
How did you
which
know
is why
it
I said it.
How did you know it happened, Ms. Roberts, if no one told you it happened?
Because we wrote a timeline. We already spoke about that.
The timeline that Jennifer McCabe helped you with, that influenced your testimony in front of the grand jury, correct? Obviously. And what you told them was you, quote, did not hear Karen Reed ask Jennifer McCabe to conduct any Google
That
search.
is correct.
And you went on to say you saw McCabe on her phone, but you did not hear Karen ask Jennifer to Google anything.
Correct.
So what you told the grand jurors was in fact false.
I misunderstood Mr. Lalley's question.
Got it. Thank you. Did you ever say that you actually heard that statement about that Google search? And you said no.
Correct.
What, if anything, did she, Miss Reed, ask Miss McCabe while they were sitting in the back of the cruiser that you heard? Correct?
I misunderstood the question.
And you misunderstood that question?
Yes.
What did you misunderstand about that question?
I didn't know it was that you heard, so I was explaining what happened in the back of the car.
I see. So you just ignored the part, literally, the part of the question where he said, what did you hear her say? That's what your
The word
testimony
was
is now?
heard, and I didn't hear it. I obviously got the question wrong because I did not hear anybody ask about a Google search.
Well, I know that's what you're saying now. I get that. But when you were asked, what, if anything, did she ask Miss McCabe while they were sitting in the back of the cruiser that you heard, your immediate answer was, at one point, she asked her to Google hypothermia and how long dash Google hypothermia, end quote. Correct?
Correct.
That was your answer.
Yes.
Correct?
To a question I misunderstood.
And that was a false statement, wasn't it?
Technically.
Technically?
Yes, technically.
You're pregnant, Ms. Roberts. What do you mean technically?
Technically, I was under oath, and I did not hear Karen asked Jen to Google it.
And yet under oath...
But I knew it happened at that
And
time.
yet under oath you said you did.
Correct.
And that was a lie, correct?
Yes.
Was that a lie? Did you lie?
I did not intentionally.
But you did.
And
Not intentionally.
okay, that's the end of
Understood
this.
the question, Mr. Jackson.
All right. Is there any other question, or is that
I
it?
didn't know what you just said.
I said I misunderstood the question, Mr. Jackson.
That's what you're saying now, correct?